In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller to a PC or a laptop. This is pretty easy to do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. If you do have any questions throughout this entire process, though, ask us down below. But before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But connecting a PS5 DualSense controller to a PC or laptop is pretty simple. There is a few different methods. The first method is by far the easiest, and it's by just using a USB-C cable. Essentially, just plug one end of that cable into your controller and plug the other end into your PC or laptop, and Windows is going to detect it automatically, and you're going to be ready to play. For wireless, though, it is just a little bit different. You are going to need Bluetooth, so make sure that you do have a device that can pick that up. But essentially, on that controller, just hold down that PlayStation button and the create button until the light bar flashes blue. And on your PC, all you need to do is actually click on this Windows icon down here and then go into your settings, and you're going to see a little Bluetooth option over here. Select that and then hit add device up at the very top. Select Bluetooth and it's going to begin detecting it. Now, obviously, mine currently doesn't have Bluetooth turned on, so keep that in mind. You definitely don't want that. But you'll see an option to add a device in here, and that's when you're going to wait for it to pair, just like you'd be pairing that wireless controller to a PlayStation in the first place. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.